Three most important things any banking website must have before you pay your agency or any web agency to build the site for you. Number one, multiple payment gateway, both automatic and manual, including crypto pay. You need to add USDT, Bitcoin, and other crypto pay on your banking system. Number two is loan offer. Make sure that your site offer a loan to your users so that you can use your banking website to make money from your users. Number three is investment and fixed deposit plan. Make sure you offer this investment plan so that your user can make money using your banking website. Now you know the most important thing your banking website need to have before you pay anybody to build your website. It's time for you to learn how to control entire website. I'm going to log admin dashboard, and I'm also going to give you access to the admin dashboard login details so that we log in and see what is inside admin. And here is how to use the banking website from start to finish. Let's dive into my computer. Let's do it. Once you log in admin dashboard, one thing you're going to first see is a manage user, and you're going to see beautiful features here: total user, active users, email unverified, and mobile unverified, and more. But in the left side is where you can control the full admin. If you want to log in to see everything with me right now, click link in description and hit subscribe to my channel to boost this video to reach other people as well. And thank you if you do that. Let's continue. First thing you need to do is to click manage user. When you click manage user, you see all the features we have here. We have active user, bound user, email unverified, and more. But the most important thing to you is active user. Once you click active user, you are going to see your user. All these people right now is your user, and you are going to drag this to the end, and you're going to drag this column to the end. And now you can really click details to see any user and see what they have inside the account, and you can even log in as the user. And once you click these details, this is what you are seeing: balance and the deposit, transfer, and withdraw, all those features. If anything the user is doing, here is the dashboard for you to see it as admin. And the most important thing is you can, if you click this balance plus button, you can add fund to this user. You can add any amount you want and write message the reason why you add money to the user, and they're going to get alert, and the money is going to reflect on their dashboard. And you can subtract money from a user, add any amount on subtract, and the money is going to delete from the user, and they're going to get alert that there's a debit alert. They're going to get debit alert that you take money from the account. Based on whatever you write here is what you're going to see. This is for when you're operating loan. If you want to take your interest out of your users dashboard when they take a loan every week or whatever, if it's not automatic, you can subtract money and you can add money on your user account. And here now you can bound this user by clicking this yellow button, bound, and you can click login as user. Once you click login as user, let's do it. So this is the user account, and you see that this user never verify KYC. So this KYC, I'm going to show you how to force KYC or deactivate it. If you deactivate it, user will not add any ID or any information to open the account. You can see user can refer people and earn money as a referral when they refer a friend. And this is the user dashboard. You see no 00 transaction, no transaction yet. User can deposit, withdraw, do fixed deposit, DPRS, and also seek for loan. They can apply for loan, and user can really recharge their airtime here when they click airtime. When I click this airtime, you are going to see that I can recharge airtime based on my country. You can select country, which country are you into, and you can, if I select United States, you see all the airtime feature. If you want to add it, to include it so that user can use their payment, their balance to recharge their airtime on your account, they can do it. And the user can seek for loan. When you click loan, so you can see all this is loan plan. The same thing on in DPS, and the same thing in FDR, which is a fixed deposit. And you see all the future we have, all the plans people can really invest on or apply for loan and more. So now you see logout and settings. So now we know more about the user. Then let's go back to admin dashboard and see all this guy payments. You see, if you scroll down, you see this guy verify his email, verify his mobile phone number, but KYC is not active because he did not add any ID card on his account. Now we know how to control user. Let's close user and go to plan. This plan is a FDR plan, DPS plan, and loan plan. This place is where you can set it. When I click loan plan, then it's going to take us to where you can add new loan offer, or you can edit the current loan offer, how much you're going to willing to give out, and how much you are charging for the interest and more. You need to scroll down. If you want to set up your airtime, then here is going to set it, but if you don't want to use airtime, that is up to you. And if you scroll down, you see wire transfer. So here now, pay attention. In this wire transfer is where you can accept how much someone can transfer in a day, minimum and maximum, fixed charge or percentage charge, daily limit, how much you want these people to be able to transfer in a day. User can be able to transfer on your banking system in a day, and maximum in monthly. If they reach that minimum, system will not allow them. When you click form, you are going to add your requirements you want people to use to do wire transfer: first name, account name, full name. You can set it as you want. So we have to close wire transfer. Now we see wire transfer. Next step is a deposit. Pay attention here, because if you have any manual payment gateway, if somebody use manual to pay, it's on you to approve their payments before they get the money on their dashboard. Which, if you come here, you click this pending payments for you to be able to see all the pending payments, and you see all these people who have made payments but they are pending because they do manual. So it can be bank transfer, bank deposit. If you click details, you're going to see the kind of money they deposit. Then all you have to do is confirm if the money reflects on your own account before you click approve or reject. If it's fake deposit, reject. If it's a legit deposit, approve. So let's move on deposit. Now let's go to the withdraw. When you go to withdraw, you can add withdraw method. What kind of withdraw you want people to add? You see the payment method we already add here already, and you can always add one by clicking add. So for you to really add new payment withdraw method. And I'm going to close it and go back so that I'm going to break other ones down. You see that we accept bank wire transfer, mobile money, PayPal. You can add crypto, BTC, USDT, or any kind of withdraw you want people to use to withdraw money on your banking system. And when somebody withdraw, is going to be pending until you review. When you click this pending, so you're going to see people that withdraw. All these people withdraw money and it's still pending. So for you to approve, all you have to do is click these details of anyone that withdraw. Then you see the payments, the bank details they drop to withdraw money to. All you have to do is transfer the money they will withdraw to this account they provide, and the bam, you click approve. When you transfer money on the account, they will get their money on your dashboard. Once you transfer the money, make sure you approve or reject if it's not legal. So now we know how to control withdraw. Let's go to money transfer. When you click money transfer, you're also going to see pending transfer. People that transfer money to people, but there is never deliver. So all you have to do is when you click pending transfer, then you see all the people that transfer, do wire transfer, and waiting for your approval. So all you have to do to control this is if you want to control this, when you click this details again, now you're going to see the details, the receiver information, someone they are going to transfer that money from your banking system to. Then all you need to do is to use their payment details they drop. You see account name, account number, and all the SWIFT code. Use it to transfer the money to this guy they're transferring money to. And once you transfer the money, you click approve, complete. You click complete or reject if it's not legal. Now we know how to control transfer. Let's close transfer. And now we have this FDR and DPS. I already talked about this, and loan, how to control loan. If somebody seek for loan, you see pending loan. When you click this pending loan, you see people that submit to take a loan on your company. All these people submit to take a loan, how much they want to take, how much they are seeking for, and if they reach the requirements, then you come here and click details. Then you review their details, and this is their details they use to take the loan. Then you approve or reject. If you want to approve, you can approve or reject. Simple. So I hope you are understanding this process. Very simple. And the best of all here, which is number one, payment gateway. Pay attention here. Payment gateway have automatic and manual. If you click this automatic, you are going to see all the features we have here: BTC Pay, blockchain, and mobile money, Coinbase. A lot of payment gateway here. We also have PayPal account, Stripe, and mobile money in automatic. But if you want to create your own payment on your own way, you don't want to do anything with automatic, you want to review before you approve, then use manual payment gateway, which you can just create. You see, we have bank payments here. You can add new. All you need to do is to drop your wallet ID, Bitcoin, USDT, or more, and write the gateway name. This one I can name it Bitcoin. You can just write Bitcoin. You can add Bitcoin, currency, USD. You can add the symbol, and you can just add the rate, whatever rate you want to add. If I'm the one designing the website, I'm going to take care of this aspect. All you have to give me is your wallet ID and your QR code of your crypto payments, or your bank transfer, or your bank details to receive the fund from your depositors. So you can add any payment feature you need as much as you can, and you're always going to receive the money on your wallet or on your bank account before you approve any payment on your site. And last but not the least, here is a ticket. Ticket is where your users will contact you to exchange word when they want your feedback, or want to ask a question, or want your help guide in a quick way. They can send you a ticket. Then you see this bell, click in here. When you click it, you see all the notification people are sending. When people register, when people submit tickets, you are going to see it. Then you can talk to your users on tickets. Now let's go to system configuration. Number one is general setting. In general setting, is this one, from now going down is no longer your work as a bank owner. It's going to be for your agency. For example, I'm the one designing your site. The general setting is where I will change your site name and your site logo. Just see. In general setting, you can change your site title here, which is your site name, and choose the kind of currency we want to accept on our bank, which is USDT if you want. Your site color, we can brand it here. Here is account number prefix, is for you to add abbreviation of your banking name. For example, this one is a Visa bank. I'm just going to say VB. Then it's going to start VB before my account number, your user account number. Here you can choose how long you want your account number, user's account number to be, the length. So you can choose 15, or you can make it 8 to be more shorter, or you can make it even more longer. And OTP on, we can turn on OTP and every other thing. This is my job as an agency, or your developer can do it for you. Minimum limit anybody can transfer daily and monthly, and you can charge them. How much are you charging per a transaction that made on your site? You can charge this one. I can take care of it. And other thing is system configuration. In this system configuration is where we are going to configure all your SNTP and approve anything that we want to use. For example, you see that email verification is disabled. We can enable it so that user must verify their email before they set up the account. First secure password must be enabled, and mobile verification must be enabled. If you have any if you want to accept mobile verification, user will get message alert message. So next thing here is the SMS notification. You can enable it. User can always get alert on their mobile phone. Everything is active here. We can take down the ones you don't want. If you don't want loan, we can deactivate loan. Then loan will disappear on your site. If you want to close withdraw, nobody will withdraw on your site. Just disable it. But we need to enable that feature. This is system setting. And after system setting, when you scroll down, you can see KYC setting. You can accept whether user can upload their ID, national ID, or driver license or passport, and more. There's a lot of things going on there. And referral setting, you can on referral, user can refer to others and make money, or you can turn it off on referral setting. On your notification setting, we can set your SNTP or PHP mailer or sender grid, any kind of mailer you want. But for me, we use PHP a lot because it have a lot to do with your IP, and it can deliver to inbox anytime. Push notification so that the user can always get notification for anything that happening on the account. Whenever you configure it, you can send test to know if it's going. That one is developer job, not for banking owners, but it's also good for you to know how to use it. So to be able to design your website, here is a manage templates, manage pages, and manage section. And this is where we can design your website or your homepage website, front end website. You can see if I want to edit this banner website, if I want to edit your banner, all I have to do is click this banner section. Watch. So first thing, we need to change front image. We can change all this image, and if I want to show you these images, let me show you these images on demo. Let's go to front end, our front website. Let me just press it and click enter. So as you are seeing this particular picture here, when we go back to admin, I'm going to see the particular picture. Let's go back. This is the pictures, and we can change all of them. User total, happy user, and create account, add all the link that will lead people to register here. And there's a lot in designing the homepage, but this video is not about the homepage, and I hope you have learned the areas that you need as a web owner, and other things you can watch it on my channel here. Ladies and gentlemen, before you leave me, subscribe to my channel. And if you want to get your target client email addresses in bulk, I have launched a machine that can generate you email in 9 social media platforms: YouTube, LinkedIn, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, Twitter, Reddit, and more. And we also have email verification that can verify unlimited email, and all this software is not monthly subscription. We are just going to pay for once and you can use it forever. If you want to know how much this website costs to build it from scratch, to buy domain, buy hosting, and bring it to life, design it to your own taste, DM me or comment below. Ask how much in the comment section, and make sure to subscribe to my channel. Ladies and gentlemen, see you in next video.